All right, let's do some math. I'm kind of liking this series of videos that I'm about to do. Good topics, good stuff. Here we go. So we're going to look at greatest common factor. Greatest common factor is also called GCF, greatest common factor. And this is what it is. It's the biggest number that can fit into two other numbers. So biggest number that divides into two other numbers. So it's the biggest number that divides into two other numbers, and the math on it's pretty nice. Let me get another pen here. So, two ideas. Prime factor it. If you prime factor these numbers, that's going to be a key first step. So we're going to prime factor. Prime factor, and then bring down the pairs. So prime factor and bring down the pairs. And when I say prime factor, that's a factor tree usually. So let's take a look at one of these. Prime factor, bring down the pairs. What is the greatest common factor of 14 and 84? So what I'm looking for is I'm looking for a number that can divide into 14 and to divide into 84. But I want the biggest number. Now, is it 2? 2 divides into both of those. Is it 7? 7 divides, I don't know, does 7 divide into 84? Is it 14? I'm not sure. So here's how I'm going to do this. 14, prime factor, that's 2 times 7. 84. Okay, I don't know what 84 is, but 84, that's going to be 2 times 42. 42 is 2 times 21. 3 times 7. There it is. Now what I'm looking for is a pair of numbers that's in both locations. Well, I'm going to circle these with a red. I have a 2 right here. I have a 2 right there. That's one pair of numbers. So that's definitely in my answer. A 2 definitely is in it. Is there another pair? Well, 7 and a 7. There's another pair. Do you see any other pairs? No? This is the answer. 2 times 7, which is 14. 14 is the biggest number. Give me a second. It's the biggest number. You can still hear me. It's the biggest number that goes into 14 and 84. So look at this. 14, right? 14 divided by 14. Yep, it worked. 84 divided by 14. Yep, it worked. 14 is the GCF. There we go. Let's do another one. This one, you can probably see it. I have a 30 and an 80. I think the answer is going to be 10. But let's see, am I right? 30. 3 times 10. 2 times 5. 80. 2 times 40. 2 times 20. 2 times 10. 2 times 5. All right, let's look for some pairs. Any other pairs? Nope. 2 times 5. 10 is the GCF. Okay, let's do 51 and 75. 51 and 75. Let's see. This one, I'm not seeing any obvious answer here, so let's break it down. 51. Isn't that 3 times 17? 75. 3 times 25 Let's look for a pair. There we go. My GCF is 3. That's it. So, going back to my instructions for this, what am I doing? I'm going to prime factor it, and then I'm going to bring down the pairs. The pairs make the answer for us. That's it. See you in class. Bye.